Under the policy of divide and rule, the British rulers exaggerated caste distinctions and divided the people of India further to strengthen their hegemony over us. It was given to two great Indians of our time, Mahatma Gandhi and Dr. Baba Saheb Ambedkar. To repudiate caste and to proclaim the oneness of the Hindu community, Gandhiji did so by reminding the higher caste of their duty towards the depressed classes. Baba Saheb Ambedkar did the same by reminding them of their inherent rights to equality with the higher and more powerful caste. One stressed the duties and the other stressed the rights together. They brought about a veritable revolution in social thought. When Baba Saheb passed away in December 1956, Jawaharlal Nehru made a moving reference in the Lok Sabha, describing Baba Saheb as a symbol of revolt. He said, I have no doubt that whatever we agreed with him or not in many matters, that perseverance, that persistence, and that, if I may use the word, sometimes virulence, of his opposition to all this did keep the people's mind awake and did not allow them to become complacent about matters which could not be forgotten, and helped in rousing up those groups in our country which had suffered for so long in the past. It is therefore sad that such a prominent champion of the oppressed and depressed in India, and who took such an important part in our activities, has passed away. There can be no doubt that the day is not far off when Baba Saheb Ambedkar's dream of Samata will become a reality. So here children, as I told you all, these methods, like as I said you all, now we are looking at the Buddha and Avai's opinion on caste division here. According to Buddha children, there were only two valid divisions. They are those who are noble and wholesome, and those who are ignoble and unwholesome. What is this noble? Udatate ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ಲ, that is udatate. And wholesome means ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣತೆ. ಉದಾತ್ತತೆ ಅಂದರೆ noble, wholesome means ಪರಿಪೂರ್ಣತೆ. So these were the two divisions here. And next, according to the Tamil poetess Havai, there are only two castes in the world. They are the charitable who give and superior, and the misers who do not and inferior. So dana maduava ಅಥವಾ who give to the needy people is called as charitable, and misers means one who are selfish. So they are called as inferior, we say. And also not only Buddha and Avai, many great sages had exposed the hollowness of these divisions. They had exposed the hollowness of these divisions and sought to bring all the communities of India together. So you can observe the sages like, so here the sages like Kanakadasa, you can understand, you can make out, even Basavanna also children. So here sought to bring all the communities of India together by the sages like Kanakadasa and Basavanna. So now next we are going to see about the we are looking at the views of Gandhiji and Ambedkar. Children, you have already learnt that they both worked together to the same course or for the same cause, but their approach is different. How is it? So, who all? Both we say together here, like Gandhiji and Ambedkar, they already learned that they both work together to the same cause, but the approach is different. The approach is totally different. So, what happened here? For example, children, like here, Baba Saheb, like Ambedkar, here he stressed, Gandhiji stressed the higher caste of their duties to the depressed classes. What did Gandhiji do? He gave importance, like even he stressed the higher caste of their duties towards the depressed classes, whereas Baba Saheb Ambedkar stressed their inherent rights to equality with the higher and most powerful caste also. One stressed the duties, children, and others stressed the rights. So they brought about a veritable revolution in social thoughts also. Now we shall move to the next session, symbol of revolt. So here, when Baba Saheb passed away in December 1956, Jawaharlal Nehru made a moving reference in the Lok Sabha describing Baba Saheb as a symbol of revolt. So here, children, when it comes to like symbol of revolt, so it is said, I have no doubt that whether we agreed with him or not in many matters, that perseverance, that persistence, and that, if I may use the word sometimes, violence of his opposition to all this did keep the people's mind awake and did not allow them to become complacent about matters which could not be forgotten, and helped in raising up those groups in our country. So here this was said, and later on, children, what happened here, like for example, which had suffered for so long in the past. It is therefore sad that such a prominent champion, so here, of the oppressed and depressed in India, and one who took such an important part in our activities, has passed away. So in this way, the Nehru described symbol of revolt or symbol of anarchy. Now we can see some quotes of Dr. Ambedkar.